I think one of the things that kind of comes part and parcel with vibe coding, but you don't realize it in the beginning, is, it's like anything. To be effective, you need to test, retest, iterate, and iterate. And I've been here now probably in my 6th hour of iterating. 2 things. One is to get a local video processor like Sora on my machine. That failed, so I went to a virtual machine, and now I'm just fighting with the machine to get it installed properly so that I can make videos for book trailers, people shooting guns and stuff, sexy stuff like that get blocked by OpenAI's API. And so, we're now on our 4th or 5th install and into the virtual space or the virtual server. We're using renting an H100 for $2.75 an hour, $2.75 an hour, so a steal. And like even the Claude Code said, hey, we're ready to give up for the night. And I'm like, no, it's 2 p.m. Keep going. And so now we're probably on our 6th install of a 30 gig diffusion engine, diffusion model that's gonna help me make 15-second videos. But they're gonna be great, man. Gonna be great. Cheaper than Sora, maybe not faster than Sora, but more flexible. And that's really what I'm wanting, because I built a book writing system. I'm going to audiobooks. I do audiobooks with them now. I've learned how to do that and built it out. But my ultimate dream is to turn my books into series and movies and stuff, because I think the age of personal entertainment is coming, and I want to understand how it works. So, there we are. Like, stick at it. If you stick at it and you keep doing it and doing it and doing it, you can be proud to call yourself a vibe coder. There's no one and done. If you're a one and done guy, you're probably not a vibe coder, and you're probably not building things that are going to stand up. And certainly not building things that are going to be commercial grade or ready for deployment. So anyways, that's it. We'll talk to you later, pirates. Thanks for listening. I just did this because I'm waiting for some things to finish. As always, take it easy. Bye-bye.
Yeah.